Once you are clear on the pros and cons, the next step is discovering where to find suppliers in the United States. To find the right manufacturer for your product, the very first step is research. Before reaching out to any manufacturer, you need to do thorough research. Unlike Alibaba, there is no single platform that gathers all domestic manufacturers in one place, which means you will need to look across several resources. One reliable method is using online directories such as ThomasNet, Makers Row, MFG, and Kompass. These directories often include hundreds or even thousands of manufacturers and supplier listings. For me, one of the most useful starting points was ThomasNet.com. This platform is free to use and specializes in industrial and commercial products, although it does not always feature consumer-focused items. You could also try WholesaleCentral.com, which works in a way that is somewhat similar to Alibaba, but tailored to the US market. It is free and allows you to search for specific products, providing a list of suppliers. Wholesale Central additionally shares information about trade shows. Attending trade shows is an excellent opportunity to meet suppliers in person. Trade shows are usually centered on particular industries such as home goods, boating, or other specialized categories. Based on the products you sell, you can find shows in your area or attend larger national or international exhibitions. Another valuable resource is MakersRow.com. Unlike the other sites, Makers Row offers a complete solution that includes product development, design, and large-scale manufacturing. This service is subscription-based, with pricing that begins at approximately $599 each month for the Select plan. However, they do provide a free 5-day trial, which allows you to explore the platform and evaluate its features before making any financial commitment. If trade shows interest you, remember that every industry organizes these events. Now that in-person trade shows are back in full swing, they provide excellent opportunities to meet manufacturers face-to-face and build strong relationships. If you cannot attend in person, you can still use the exhibitor lists published for each event to connect with suppliers online. For example, the Canton Fair Autumn 2025 will be held in 3 phases between October 15th and November 4th in Guangzhou. If none of these options meet your requirements, you can always fall back on a simple Google search. By typing in the name of your product along with terms such as manufacturer, supplier, or wholesaler, you can often uncover additional sources that might fit your needs. And if you prefer international sourcing, platforms such as Global Sources, IndiaMart, DHgate, and Sourcify are always available.